and welcome to the Historic Daniel Boone Home. My name is Angel. I'm a certified interpretive guide here at the Boone Home, and right now I'm standing in what is the nicest room in the house, the drawing room. Now you might question my saying that if you were to look up and see these exposed beams. Well, there's a reason for that. Those beams, we're leaving them exposed so you can see the hard work that went into the construction of this house. At one time they would have been covered by lath and plaster, but there was a fire, and once they were exposed we decided that it was best to be able to show you how these hand-hewn large oak logs were placed here using scaffolding and what is called notch construction, where one log sits on top of the other, making it nice and strong and sturdy, having stood the test of time of over 200 years. Thank you.